Welcome back, food lovers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of beans. Beans are one of the most nutritious, versatile, and sustainable foods on the planet. From their fascinating origins to their amazing health benefits, and even how you can grow them at home, we're covering it all. Let's get started. Here is a fun fact. Did you know that beans once saved an entire civilization from starvation? Who was it? Stick around to find out which one and how these tiny powerhouses played a crucial role in history. So, where do beans come from? Beans have been cultivated for thousands of years and are a staple in many cultures worldwide. They trace back to ancient civilizations, like the Aztecs and Mayans in Central and South America, as well as early societies in Asia and Africa. Some of the most well-known beans, like black beans, pinto beans, and kidney beans, have been feeding people for generations. How do beans grow? Beans grow from seeds and are part of the legume family. They thrive in warm climates and require well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. The plants can be bushy or vining. They produce pods filled with delicious beans that are harvested once mature. And the best part? They enrich the soil by naturally fixing nitrogen, making them great for sustainable farming. Can you grow beans at home? Absolutely! Beans are one of the easiest plants to grow, even for beginners. You can plant them in your backyard garden or even in containers on a balcony. Just provide them with support if they're a climbing variety. Then water them regularly. Then, in a few weeks, you'll have fresh beans ready to harvest. Here is what you were waiting for. Follow along for 10 health benefits of beans, packed with protein. A great alternative for vegetarians and vegans. High in fiber, supports digestion and gut health. Rich in antioxidants, helps to fight free radicals in the body. Supports heart health, lowers bad cholesterol and blood pressure. Helps regulate blood sugar, ideal for people with diabetes. Helps with weight management, they keep you full longer. Strengthens bones, high in calcium and magnesium. Boost brain health, contains folate for cognitive function. Improves energy levels, provides a steady source of complex carbs. Supports a healthy immune system, packed with vitamins and minerals. Here are some ideas on how to cook and prepare beans. Beans can be enjoyed in so many ways. You can boil, soak, or even roast them. If using dried beans, soak them overnight to reduce cooking time. Canned beans are a quick alternative. Just rinse them to reduce excess sodium. They're perfect for soups, salads, stir-fries, and even making homemade hummus. Remember the fun fact question at the beginning? Here's the answer. Beans played a vital role in saving the ancient Roman Empire. During times of famine, beans provided a crucial food source, sustaining both soldiers and civilians. Without beans, their civilization may have struggled to survive. And there you have it. Beans aren't just delicious, they're packed with nutrition and history. Have you tried growing your own beans, or have a favorite bean dish? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and informative food videos. Bye for now. See you in the next video.